Best deals.
1. Strainer pot. Integrated strainer lid lets you drain pasta, rice, or veggies straight from the pot with no juggling colanders or extra dishes. Premium induction base delivers quick, even heating on all stove tops, gas, electric, or induction. Tempered glass lid with steam vent locks in flavor and nutrients while giving you a crystal clear view of your food. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cookware. Crafted from top-tier, rust-proof, and food-grade 2.5 mm extra thick Tripoli stainless steel, this gift set is the ideal gifting choice. Designed to meet the needs of modern kitchens, it offers a stackable, space-saving solution. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Puttu Maker. Made from premium-grade stainless steel, this maker is rust-resistant, durable, and hygienic. Designed for long-term use in Indian kitchens. Simply attach, fill with flour and coconut, and steam soft puttu in minutes. Comfortable handle design features a heat-resistant handle for safe and easy handling. Now enjoy mess-free cooking with this ergonomic puttu maker with cooker compatibility. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Container. Make your kitchen look perfect with these intricate design and traditional pattern classy kitchen accessories. It can store large quantities of food grains without occupying much space. Steel dabba has great strength. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Dokla Maker. Cool Touch Bakelite handles for safe handling equipped with durable heat-resistant Bakelite side handles for a secure, cool touch grip. Easily lift, carry, or open the pot even when hot, no cloth or mitts needed. Effortless plate removal comes with a premium lifter tool to safely lift hot plates without touching metal. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Paneer Maker. Holes at the bottom allow quick draining away, while the round shape makes it easy to press and shape paneer evenly. Ideal not only for paneer, but also curd straining, cheese making, and tofu preparation, making it a versatile kitchen accessory. Lightweight design allows for quick cleaning, dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Kadhai. It stays hot for long, and retains heat well. Foods that need higher temperatures will brown better, cook faster and crisper, and cook more evenly inside and out. It builds a natural non-stick surface over time, called seasoning, which is a smooth and tough cooking surface. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Paniyaram Pan. Enhances the quality of your dishes by adding a distinct flavor. Cook crispy and yummy varieties of ups effortlessly like plain paniyaram, sweet up, masala up, vegetable paniyaram, oats paniyaram and many more. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Oil Dispenser Bottle. Made from clear glass with a food-grade PP cap and a silicone basting brush, this olive oil dispenser is eco-friendly, durable, and safe for everyday use. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Dosa Tawa. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron tawa is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. Convenient handle for easy holding. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Pressure Cooker. Made from food-grade AC204SS body and laid for durability and safe cooking. Easy to clean, ergonomic, and long-lasting handles. Efficient pressure cooking system, maintains optimal pressure for perfect, even cooking every time. Unique gasket ensures durability and reliable sealing. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Curd Maker. Achieve thick, delicious yogurt effortlessly with our fine mesh strainer. The 1100 ml capacity is ideal for crafting large batches with perfect consistency. Beyond yogurt, easily strain smoothies, juices, and cheese. Our versatile strainer's fine mesh ensures smooth results without unwanted residues. Constructed from high-quality plastic and stainless steel, this strainer is rust-resistant. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Tadka Pan. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Cooks faster. Saves gas. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. No food sticking. Pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cookware. Ideal for boiling, simmering, stews, and curries on gas, induction, or electric stoves. Scratch and rust resistant, dishwasher safe, and built for everyday use. Works on induction, gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Container. Ideal for storing and serving milk, water, juices, rasam, buttermilk, snacks, gravies, and cooked food. Spill-free pouring design. Precision-shaped edge ensures smooth, controlled pouring without spills or drips, perfect for liquid servings. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cookware. Enhance your cooking experience with our Tulsa equipped with a tough and durable Tripoli construction. Designed for longevity and optimal performance, this Tripoli configuration offers even heat distribution and dependable results. Stainless steel range withstands the demands of daily cooking, while the aluminum core encased within non-toxic stainless steel layers. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Lunch box. Made from premium food-grade stainless steel, ensuring meals remain free from harmful toxins, chemicals, and contaminants for a healthier dining experience. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this lunchbox resists rust, corrosion, and wear, offering reliable performance for years. The sleek, lightweight design makes it ideal for school lunches. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Dokla Maker. Made from premium stainless steel with a mirror finish for durability and aesthetic appeal. Includes sets for making large thatte idlis, mini idlis, and steaming vegetables, doklas, or momas. Thatte idli plates feature a non-stick surface for easy release and hassle-free cleaning. Compatible with both gas and induction stoves. Equipped with cool-to-touch handles for safe and comfortable lifting. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Chopping board. The rectangular shape offers a stylish, contemporary look while ensuring a comfortable grip, making chopping effortless and convenient. Made from high-quality, BPA-free food-grade materials, this chopper guarantees safe, toxin-free food preparation for your family. Designed for effortless operation, it enables quick and precise chopping, reducing prep time and making cooking more enjoyable. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Coffee mug. Free from harmful chemicals like BPA, formaldehyde, and melamine and no toxic chemicals used in manufacturing. It is also dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Water jug. Store and enjoy a perfect juice, iced tea, lemonade, water, milk or beverages at home or for a party or any occasions. Made of borosilicate glass and is guaranteed to withstand temperatures of up to 350 degrees centigrade. Can be safely used in the microwave, oven, fridge, freezer and dishwasher, are harder and tougher. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Spoon. Made from high-quality silicone and beech wood for durability and long-lasting use. Effortlessly scoops rice and other foods without sticking. Comfortable beech wood handle for a secure grip. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Fruit knife. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the blade offers exceptional sharpness, precision cutting, and long-lasting durability, making it ideal for slicing fruits, vegetables, and small food items with ease. With its mini-stick style build, this fruit knife is lightweight, portable. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Mop. Made of durable 304 stainless steel and PP. The upgraded handle allows the mop head to wing drier and makes less noise. You can adjust the maximum length of the mop rod to 50.4 inches by the smart lock on the handle pole, which can match most users' height, so you don't have to bend down and suffer from back pain. Open the locking buckle before spinning, and put the mop align the prominent parts, push the handle up and down, then you can wash and spin the mop easily. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Baby food box. Store both milk powder and food in separate compartments, ensuring freshness and organization on the go. Easily heat up your baby's meals directly in the container, making feeding quick and hassle-free. Effortlessly transfer milk powder into bottles without any spills or mess. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Pot. The sleek and timeless design complements any setting, be it traditional or contemporary. You can significantly reduce waste and contribute to a sustainable future. Pot ensures that you can serve a crowd without the hassle of constant refilling, can hold a significant amount of liquid, perfect for serving a large group or at events. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Squeezer. This item is a creative lemon juicer in kitchen, made of food-safe stainless steel, not easy to get rusty, suitable for practical and long-term use. You only need to cut the lemon in half. Then slowly squeeze and rotate the top. Squeeze out all the juice. After use, rinse with water and hang upside down on the drying rack to dry. The juicer squeezer has no sharp edge. You don't have to worry about being hurt by the squeezer. With this juicer, enjoy tasty fresh squeezed juice any time of the day. This handy stainless steel juicer is great to quickly extract juice from lemon, lime, orange and other juicy fruits. Squeezes out the last drop of juice from citrus fruits. Can use it for all citrus fruits from small lemon to orange or sweet lime. Elevate your kitchen accessories with this functional and elegant juicer. Compact size for convenient storage in your kitchen drawer. Ideal for home kitchens, restaurants, and cafes. The lemon squeezer juicer is made of high-quality zinc alloy material. It has high oxidation resistance, impact resistance, food safety materials, is anti-corrosive, safe, and durable. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Egg pan. Compact, multifunctional Japanese-style egg pan. Can be used to make Japanese egg rolls, omelets, pancakes, bread toasts, French fries. Heavy gauge aluminum construction for quick and even heat distribution. 100% safe, food grade non-stick interiors with a beautiful, scratch-resistant porcelain exterior. Unique, slope-shaped design for easy flipping and serving. Always stay cool phenolic handle for easy handling. Unique, slope-shaped design for easy flipping and serving. The pan features the right shape and dimension to create authentic tamagoyaki eggs. Its heavy gauge aluminum body propels even heating and high heat retention. Its heavy gauge aluminum body propels even heating and high heat retention that helps you prepare delicious Japanese rolled omelets in the beautiful yellow shade using minimal oil. The non-stick omelette pan is both gas stove and induction stove compatible. Sloped shape is easy to flip the eggs, sandwiches, pancakes and omelettes. You can cook various food you want quickly and easily without any difficulty. Enjoy professional and smokeless cooking in the kitchen. The smooth Bakelite handle of this omelette pan provides the most comfortable touch. The ergonomically designed anti-skid handle well protects your hands from heat. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Stackable container. Are made of high-quality stainless steel. These cooker containers are very strong and sturdy. This stainless steel separator container set allows you to cook a whole meal, rice, lentils per deciliter and vegetables all together in few minutes with minimum use of fuel, energy and retaining all essential nutrients. This set comes with stainless steel lid to trap heat and moisture. There is air vent to each container to release extra steam pressure. This set is stackable and can use for multiple things like steam, stack leftover food, mixing food, etc. It is very easy to maintain and clean. It is dishwasher safe too. These multiple cooker containers are suitable for 3-liter inner and outer laid cooker. Enjoy hassle-free cleanup with this dishwasher safe cooker dabba. The smooth, scratch-resistant surface also makes hand washing easy and maintains its shine for years. Containers are made of high-quality stainless steel. These cooker vessels are durable, 100% food grade and BPA free. These cooker separator sets are designed to be stackable. They allow you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously in your cooker, saving time and gas and maximizing space. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Cleaning brush. You can access all areas with the home tub and tile floor scrubbing brush. This has been made possible by our high-grade durable long telescopic handle, which can be easily extended from 48 inches to 58.2 inches with a secure locking mechanism. Cleaning brush scrubber is made of high-quality PP material, stainless steel and iron while threaded joints tighten the rods with firm locking. The padded handle provides a soft, non-slip and comfortable grip, making it easy to hold even when wet. When cleaning is done, you can hang your bathroom scrubber on the wall using the utility hook, keeping clutter to a minimum. Featuring a tough bristle brush head for deep cleaning tiles, floors, walls, toilets, and tubs, a gentle sponge head for delicate surfaces, and a soft microfiber pad for mirrors, glass, and sinks, our brush has got you covered. And with its detachable heads that are quick and easy to switch out, cleaning has never been more convenient. Plus, replacement refills are available, making it even easier to keep your brush in top condition. The swivel design of the home scrubber brush allows for 180-degree rotation, making it a breeze to clean neglected corners. There is no need to worry about the joints coming loose or the brush head flopping around while cleaning. The flexible joint is stable and steady, which helps focus your energy in the most efficient manner possible. Product link is given in the 30th link.